Today we are going to set up the Cisco APIC M through M4 clusters. You can see it comes by default with 6.0 version. So we have connected all three servers here, and we can configure the out-of-band management IP address, and we can access it through the GUI. Here there are two options, whether the servers are connected remotely or they're connected physically. So you choose depend on your topology here, and you can proceed with the configuration of the cluster here. You need to skip this information and click on the next. You need to put the fabric name here. In my case, I'm putting just the random the fabric in the production. Then you need to put the port and name, and you need to put the infra VLAN. Now you need to click next here to proceed further and fill the information of the CIMC and the out-of-band management IP addresses there. If you go next, you will see and hear the APIC1 information here. You need to put the password of CIMC, and then it will validate, will check, and you need to feed the APIC name here. And in the last, you also need to put the out-of-band management IP address of this, and it will add in the cluster. Then you need to click and add the another APIC CIMC IP address first to get this validated, and so that all the APICs can communicate and they can build the cluster together. You can see here I'm going to put the name of the second APIC and the port where I'm going to add this, and last you need to put the CIMC IP address of the second APIC controller. It should accept in the cluster. It's really important to validate the CIMC IP address so that you can check the reachability over the network. You also need to, if there is any issue, then you need to troubleshoot the problem. It could be the network issue, could be the gateway configured wrongly, or some other issues. Then I'm going to add the third APIC here. Put the CIMC and validate the reachability. As soon as it's done, then I need to feed the information of the APIC name. Let's say I named it APIC 3, and I want to put this in the same port. Now I also need to configure the out-of-band management IP address together with the subnet and the gateway. So all three servers should be added here manually, and as soon as you click the next, then you will see all the information to review before you submit it for the final cluster buildup. Here you can validate all the information. If something is wrong, then you can go back and configure it again. As soon as you click here on the install the cluster, it will start the bringing up cluster on the same page. It's very simple. The way in 6.0 version is a bit different. We don't need to configure anymore all the information through the CIMC, but you can also configure now through the GUI directly to build the cluster using the CIMC IPs and the out-of-band management IPs. They will communicate and will build the cluster. So you see here, after some time, once the cluster buildup is completed, then you will see the GUI of one of the APIC here. So I'll share the information in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Yeah.